Yo, hello everyone. Do you want to enhance your Google Sites website with engaging video content? In this video, I will show you how to add videos to your Google Sites. You will learn how to embed videos from popular platforms like YouTube and customize the video player settings, increase an immersive viewing experience. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Once you feel like you're ready to go and you have chosen the template that will fit your business the best or your goal, what you have to do is simply, for example, let's go to a blank page for now since we are going to add only a video. And guys, here as you might see, there's only four things that you can insert: a text box, image, drive, and an embed code. Okay, so now you might tell me, where can I add a video? Let's say, for example, you have a video on your PC. So let me check if I have a video here, on here. So yeah, for example, this video that I've made. So I can just simply copy it and drag it over here. You might tell me that. You might tell me this is possible. Well, no, the file type is not supported. You can't actually insert a video into your site.google.com. This is impossible. But there is still a possibility that you can use it to add videos, which is YouTube. So as you can see here, they allow you to add videos from YouTube to your website. So if I click here on this YouTube button, they will show me this video search, and here they will show me my, for example, videos that I've made. So here, bunch of videos that I've made, and for example here, this one, Rocket League. I was playing Rocket League, so I can select this and add it to here, and it will be working fine. As you might see here, this video will not have any problem running. If I clicked on it, it is simply like watching YouTube, but you will be watching it through your PC. So as I said, guys, in general, this is how you can add videos. And for those who are asking, is there any other method? You can really add some kind of codes if you are really good using embed code or HTML or CSS. But yeah, overall, the only thing that you have is YouTube. So guys, that was step one, and that was a method on how you can actually add videos to your site. Sometimes you don't really want to upload videos to YouTube, you just like it to be like simple. So in this case, you really have to use your Google Drive. So you'll have to have a Google Workspace account and get a Google Drive within it. In your case, you have probably have it. So what you'll have to do is simply click on Drive from over here, and I will try to go through my Google Drive from here. So let's check it out, Google Drive, and I will try to upload a video. So new, file upload, and let's go to like videos, and let's try to upload, for example, this also video, for example. So I will keep it like, as you can see here, downloading. So 1 minute left. Once the video is fully updated and downloaded or uploaded, it will be appearing for me in here. So the next thing to do is simply just drag the video. It is as simple as that. So the first step, which is dragging videos from YouTube, so people will have, or you will have to search for video X and drag it. And the other thing, which is just simply drag it and upload it into your Google Drive, and then drag it into your website. So I will wait until this video completely uploaded, and I will be right back to you guys. So back to you guys. Now the video has been completed and uploaded successfully. And supposedly now, after I click on Untitled Site, which is my website on Google Site, I will have my video in there. So let's check it out. And here it is on the recent videos. So here we go. I can simply click on it. So let me just, okay, insert. And here it is. So now I can add the video, move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller. So as you can see here, adjust even the resolution of the video, and people can watch it as any other Google Drive video. They can even click here to see the video and another page, or keep watching it on my website itself. Now, you might forgot, guys, the most important thing, which is to save this. So make sure, guys, once you add a video or anything to your site using YouTube, using Google Drive, to click on this publish button on the top right corner. This is very important so you can save the progress that you are making on your video. So click on publish, add a random name. Here we go. Okay, let me just mix that and then click on publish. And here it is. If I clicked on view published site, I will find the video over here. So it is working perfectly without any problems. And for guys, so you have like a bigger image and more informations, this is a Reddit blog or article about how like is it possible or how to add an actual MP4 video from your local machine, which is as a PC or a phone. So I want to add an MP4 from my PC into Google Site using Google Drive, or without using Google Drive or YouTube. So without using the two tools that I have shown you before. So can anyone find a solution for that? So here, as you can see, all the comments, there is only one, but as you can see, no, it's not possible, as Google Site does not offer any file hosting solution. So as they seem like they won't host any files on their platform for you. So you either need to use a third-party solution like VMO, or pay for a third-party file hosting solution with then code in HTML to embed it correctly. So other than that, you will not be able to actually do anything. So this is the only solutions that I have given you today. They are the ones that have been like 2 years ago till today. And as you might not know, Google Sites are one of like the least updated platforms on the network. So that's why it seems like it has no life here. So there is nothing to add. It is so limited for you to be used. And guys, here I asked ChatGPT if there is any other method. So it seems like there is other methods, but they are the same thing that I have been talking about. So you can either like get a popular video hosting platforms as Vimeo, Dailymotion, Wistia. So they are like if you are familiar with watching movies and series on net on platforms like other than Netflix, you'll be familiar with these platforms. So these are like most of us are watching like videos and movies on these platforms without even knowing. Here you can obtain the video embed code. So in case you had the embed code of the video, you can add it to the site. And the other thing, that's it. So there is no other thing over here. These are just some tips on how you can actually use it, how to add it. And here they just told me about, like ChatGPT just told me about the two ways, the main ones, which are Google Drive and YouTube. Other than that, unfortunately, as I said, you are so limited once you start using Google Sites. So you probably have to go and use another hosting, use another platform. WordPress will allow you to do whatever you'd like, whatever video you can upload it on WordPress, for example. But since you are using only Google Sites, maybe you have your reasons. So yeah, these are all the things that you can use in order to add videos. So yeah, guys, that was completely it for this today's video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions in case you had anyone related to this topic. And if you have any more questions or more topics you want me to talk about, make sure to leave them down below. I will talk about them in the next videos. So let's meet in the next tutorial.